Hey guys, thanks for coming to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Elizabeth Marie and I upload every Thursday at 10 a.m. If you want to see how to create this fun, natural spring look, then keep watching. The Ulta Beauty 24K Magic Beauty Oil. It gives me a great, even beauty from within glow. So I really like that. Put it all over our face. Then I'm going to be using this Chanel foundation brush to blend it all in. First time I used this, I hated it because it felt so yucky and so icky and so just, I guess, oily, but after I put it in and just rubbed it in, it felt so nice. Now we're going to be going in with the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation, and I am in color 112 Natural Ivory. 2 pumps in my hand, and then we're going to dot it all over our face. And I've been trying out a new skincare routine, so my face is like killing me right now. Like, what are you doing to me? What are you doing to me? Spray the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water on the beauty sponge. And then we're going to blend it all in. Okay, now that we are all covered, like you can tell I had some like blemishes and stuff and it's covered them really well. So now we're going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. Always, we're going to put that all over our face. And now we're going to blend it in. There's the mailman. Hello. Mr. Mailman, bring me a ring. Is that Sandman? I think it's Sandman. We're going to go with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. We're going to take our egg-shaped beauty blender, dip it in there real good, and put it underneath our eyes. So today for contour and blush, we're going to be using the Ulta Beauty little sample makeup kit, and we're going to be using the Cool Bronzer color. Now whenever Ulta has their sales where you can like spend $20 on Ulta products and then get a bag full of goodies, I always do that because Ulta products, they're pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna dab it in with my Morphe 530 brush. We're going to put it underneath our cheekbones and put it underneath our chin, and then along our hairline. I'm going to wipe this away with our huge fluffy Morphe 527 brush. So wipe that away. And then add a little bit more powder on the rest of your face. Okay, and now we're going to go in with the Rose Blush color and using our Ulta blush brush. We're going to dip that in there real good. Our cheeks some rosy red tint to them. We'll leave our face for a little while and we're going to work on our brows real quick, and we're going to be using the NYX Professional Brow wand, like I like to call it, and we're going to brush our brows out real good. Just going to fill them in. We're not going to make them really dark or really big. We're going to leave them kind of natural and just fill in the spots that are sparse. Okay, now that my brows are done, we're going to go in with the Morphe 25A Copper Spice Palette, which looks like that. Palette, we're going to go into color Sanddollar, which is this one right there. And we're going to put that all over our lids as a transition shade. Next color we're going to go into is Layered, which is that beautiful pink color right there. And we're going to go in with our Morphe 441 brush and really taper the edges of our lids with that color. We're going to keep this brush and we're going to go into color Sunrise, which is that brownish color right there next to it. And we're going to really focus on the bottom lash line and then work our way up. And then now we're going to go in with our small crease brush from the Gold Collection in Morphe. Dip into Layered and Sunrise both. And then we're going to put that right underneath our lash line. Whoa! Wow! And then with another blending brush from the Gold Collection, we're going to dip into Afterlife right here. Very, very lightly, like hardly anything. Well, it's a lot. Knock that off. So a little bit on the brush. And we're going to just pack it on the very outer edge of our eyelid. And then I'm going to get that e.l.f. brush that has nothing on it except for probably a little bit of Sanddollar left. And we're going to really blend that out and up. A Morphe 167 brush, which is a flat little eyeshadow brush. And we're going to dip into Overcast, which is this first color right there. I'm going to put it all over our lid area from the inner corner to the middle. We're going to take our Ulta Beauty Smudger brush, the NYX Born to Glow palette, in color Stand Your Ground. We're going to go in with this. We're going to take that and put it in our inner corners. We're also going to go right underneath our brows to kind of give it a little bit of shimmer. We're also going to be using this as our highlight today. So we are going to go in with the, where's my brush? Where's my brush? I guess we're going to be going with fan brush today. We're going to be using the Morphe 310 fan brush. We're going to put that there, knock off a little bit of the excess. Put it all over our cheeks. Yes. There's the brush I was looking for. 510 brush. So we're going to go back in with our nose and a little bit on our Cupid's bow. I'm going to put just a small amount of eyeliner on my eyes with the NYX Epic Liner. I'm not going to wing it out. I'm just going to kind of leave it rounded, following my eye shape. Then now we're going to go in with the Benefit Roller Lash and put it all over our eyelashes. Now we're going to go in with the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit liquid lipstick in color Nudist Beach. There we go. And then I'm also going to go in with the pink really hard because I really don't like the way that looks. So I'm going to put a little bit of pink in the center. There we go. And now we're going to use the Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray. Alright, and there we go. Thank you so much for coming to watch my video today, guys. Again, I upload every Thursday. If you don't want to miss it, then make sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you are the first one to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I guess we're done. Bye.